Umo Feke Zion only succeed in paying Facebook to do what? To remove our page. But they cannot remove our spirit. They can't stop the gospel, and the table is turning around. Remember that I told you that Ofekede Sagobol and Ebuka will hear from me. I had the spiritual world. A man who speak it come to pass.
My people, unbelievable. People they vex so not be small vitalized. Now they vex for this FB. FB they hot my people, not be small thing. On I know say prophet David Yahweh page. They don't carry am down. No be small something. He say na mwokoko. He say na demo people when they call lame. All these pastors say na them. Na they do am. They don't report the page. They don't carry am down. He can still talk say. He talk and say this pastor una know the pastor when he dey always dey call. He say make dem come still hold am, make dem come still arrest am, say that they threaten am. He don say dem wan assassinate, nothing wey he no talk for inside this video. May e no come be say I too talk. I go leave una more na for lis ten to prophet David Yahweh. Una know say for this page so one na dey across na information giver, information carrier. As e dey happen na so I go dey drop am. If una check my lane na amebo, and I still remain amebo. Make una watch the video of prophet David Yahweh where if they talk say me they can't carry am again. Oh, who they breathe.
Umo Feke Zion only succeed in paying Facebook to do what? To remove our page. But they cannot remove our spirit. They can't stop the gospel, and the table is turning around. Remember that I told you that Ofekede Sagobol and Ebuka will hear from me. I had the spiritual world. A man who speak it come to pass. Ebuka, go and let's some of them were going as the God of Prophet David Yahweh had disgraced you people. I told you. Check. After you say you arrest me, I say after 7 days I came down from mountain. Since then, Ebuka is crying like a chicken. Omo Feke. He have power. Oh, yeah, come and let's see Biafran people now. Clap your hands. Please, they shut our page down. That's why I'm on this page. This is where I'll be coming live. A to Z Igbo TV. I am the CEO of A to Z Production. They are not afraid. I told you, and I will meet you on a match. This was no of this our brother that said they arrested him. But he said it. They're gonna arrest me. They said it. So, but nevertheless, we're here. We're not afraid of anybody. I'm not afraid of police. Police is my friend. The only thing I'm here to say is this: we have come. Ebuka have failed by using police to intimidating people. Because in that your ministry, you're mentioning fake prophet, you're mentioning native doctor, you're mentioning everyone. So if you don't want anybody to mention your name, stop calling anybody. Preach the kingdom of God is coming. Stop calling everyone. Stop calling native doctor. Stop calling any prophet. That means you're listening. And they stop calling Jesus. Stop using Bible, because Bible belongs to people of Sabbath. Stop using Bible. You're using Bible to different people. Bible is own for people of Sabbath, for Jews. And you're bringing marine kingdom. I'm already against Mary. I've been preaching it before I know you. When I born things of Mary and Roman Catholic source of Satan, I don't know you then. That was 2018. I don't know you. So this is battle I've been fighting before you. When I born things of Jeremiah and other prophets, I don't know you. When I was fighting with Aqua, you're not there. You say when I fight the battle finish, they put my name in more than 2,000 idols. I take the battle at 40 finish. That's what I told you. Fight, let us see. Now you're crying. You have never started, you're crying. Why are you crying? You're crying. This is just beginning. For you to know the word I face. So I don't mind. Like you cannot take